Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Since transport stream or TS files are designed for live broadcasting, local playback issues are normal. If you want to play the video on your phone, computer, or smart TV, converting it to MP4 is a practical solution. In this video, I tested several popular tools to find the best solution, and in my opinion, this particular software is the most effective and user-friendly. Let's go. If you need to change the format of your videos for compatibility reasons or to optimize them for specific devices, this tool is probably the best one for you. It's incredibly easy to use, and it supports a wide variety of file formats such as MP4, AVI, and MP3. It also offers flexible video quality, ranging from standard definition to 4K. Unfortunately, I haven't found free software with the same comprehensive functionality as this tool. Stay tuned, though, because I'll share it with you once I find another good program. Are you ready to give it a try? You can use my link below to download the program directly and receive the best available discount. After you've installed the software on your computer, navigate to the Video Convert menu in the main interface. Click Add Files to choose files for conversion individually, or choose Add Folder to upload an entire folder of videos for bulk conversion. Upon upload, the program automatically suggests the most common conversion settings, which are displayed next to the original file information. But for more configuration options, click the gear icon on the target file. As I mentioned, the software lets you convert to various video or audio formats and even optimize for specific devices. Alternatively, you can click Create Custom to define your preferred quality and properties like encoder, frame rate, resolution, or bit rate. So, depending on what you need, simply select the appropriate file format. For each file format, you can choose your preferred quality, ranging from SD up to 4K for videos, and low to high quality for audio files. Remember, the higher the selected quality, the larger the converted output file size will be. If you're doing a batch conversion, use the bottom configuration options to apply the same settings to all uploaded files. After everything is set up, click the button to start the conversion process. When the process is complete, you will be automatically redirected to the Converted tab. Then simply click the Folder button to find your converted file. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.